Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to secure jump rings. First, select the right jump ring size and wire gauge for your jewelry piece. A heavier gauge offers more security for larger or heavier components. Always ensure the ends of your jump ring meet flush, without any gaps, to prevent items from slipping out. This foundational step is crucial for creating durable and lasting connections in your designs. To properly open a jump ring, hold it with 2 pairs of pliers, one on each side of the opening. Twist one side away from you and the other towards you, creating a slight gap. Never pull the ends directly apart, as this can weaken the metal. When closing, reverse the motion, twisting the ends past each other slightly, then bringing them back to meet perfectly flush. A common mistake is using jump rings that are too thin for the weight they need to hold, leading to easy deformation. Another error is not fully closing the ring, leaving a tiny gap where components can escape. Always double-check your closure. For high-security applications, consider a locking jump ring or even a small dot of solder to permanently seal the connection. For maximum security, especially with valuable pieces, you can apply a tiny drop of jeweler's glue to the closed jump ring seam. Another excellent option is using split rings, which function like miniature keyrings, providing 2 full loops of metal for superior strength. These are much harder to open accidentally. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.